package. Bruno, this delivery to Normanby needs you. Can you help?
Do we have time, Bruno?
I suppose now that we changed the route.
We'll do it, Percy.
I'm pretty sure it's the piano. If you want to be a musician.
Okay, Bruno, let's do this.
That was too fast. We almost derailed.
But we're back on schedule, right?
Right.
Moo. We're making great time, Bruno. The rest of the way is mostly downhill, so we'll be really quick.
That's great. We can deliver everything. There's some fast curves coming up, Bruno. Get ready. You got it. Thanks, Bruno.
Bruno, stop! Ugh, what a close one. The tracks are blocked.
Whoa! That was a close one.
Whoa! I didn't see that beach ball coming. Looks like I'm bounced out of the race. Watch out for those beach balls, everyone!
Thomas! Nia! Verona! Keep going! And Verona's out of the game.
No, I'm not. I didn't get hit. Oh, you're right. I am out of the game. I just don't like losing.
We're the last two players, Nia.
And one of us is gonna win. All we have to do is reach the top.
And not get hit by a beach ball.
Whoa! Close one.
Ah, Thomas. Can you show us what you've learned?
Time for
The Great Dieselini! All eyes on me as I say the magic word.
Diesel.
Thomas, you're ruining my trick.
But Gordon said it was my turn.
No, Gordon asked who wanted to go first, so it's Dieselini time.
As I said before, Diesel, we would like to see your magic trick, but practicing is an important part of the lesson. Remember to be patient and wait your turn.
Okay, then it's my turn.
No, it's my turn.
No, it's mine.
No, mine.
Mine. It sounds like someone's coming. It's James! Oh no! He said it right at Diesel and Thomas!
He's not on schedule. Diesel, do your magic trick! And here we are.
Wait, what?
With recycling plant?
But it's messy!
But it's just lots of junk.
Actually, many wonderful things can be created by recycling old unwanted materials and turning them into something new and exciting.
Like this art?
Precisely. Take a look at this. All made from recycling. Whiff shared these materials with us so you can make sculptures.
Fun! I love art! This day is going to be great!
Well, what are you waiting for?
Right, this will work. Nice. Yep. Yes, this is fine. Ha! Electric!